The green? I don't know. What is
It's a
it?
baby.
It's a baby one. Does that look like an elephant? Oh, look at the baby.
How do you... Which one's the smallest?
Which one do we think?
It will make the volcano move.
So we have to get it right.
See the baby?
Let me see Addison. Is there Addison there? I see your eyes.
Let's go see the blue.
Oh, look how big. Wow. Oh, look. I gotta put you down for a second. Ah. Addison, these are ancient animals, aren't they? This great? Well, let's wait for Mimi and for Jake's list. You want to go see the hippos? Okay, let's go see the hippos. Oh, those are Maiasaurus. They're called Maiasaurus. Little babies.
No, that's just brother and sister.
They're little baby Maiasauruses, right?
And the big one.
A big one, yes.
Maybe that's the daddy one or mommy.
Did you do that? Who did that?
Me.
Who did that? Jakester did that? How'd you did that? Whoa! Look at that volcano!
Wait, but, do you know? Isn't that's big, right?
Yeah, that's the biggest one.
No, they're much bigger than in real life.
Wow. That's
They're
really
much bigger than that in real life.
Yeah, look how big that is, huh?
He has a big thing on his back. Take a picture of it. Take a picture of it.
Yeah, look.
Look at
Wow.
that. You want to do the volcano again?
Let's do the volcano one more time, Jakester. Make the volcano erupt. Oh, there it goes. Whoa.
Green, green, blue, 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 green, green, blue, blue. No, not that.